Hello guys, dito ako sa Hamilton, Bermuda Island. Most of the shop here every Sunday are closed. So yeah, most of the shop here are closed every Sunday. So here I am in Front Street, Hamilton, Bermuda. So it's a beautiful building around here. Yes, it is waterfront, and it is a shop also for men, selling clothes for men. So I'm going to the car park here because I parked my car around here. So I'm going here. See, look at that shop, is closed. Medyo maginaw-ginaw na guys. Medyo maginaw-ginaw na. Dito ang mga park sa may Hamilton. Dito yung parking. Iwan ko kung may bayad ngayon kasi Sunday ngayon. $2 per hour kasi yung bayad dito pag nag-parking ka. So iwan ko kung may bayad ngayon kasi Sunday. Ang alam ko pag Sunday is free. So I'm not sure. Ngayon punta na ako dito sa car ko. Hindi ko alam kung dito na yung kaibigan ko. Is not here yet. Kung saan ngayon. Wala pa siya dito eh. Saan kaya nagpunta yun? Kasi isasakay ko siya pa uwi eh. Yan, malaking aso. Okay guys. Wala pa yata dito yung kaibigan ko. Saan kaya nagpunta yun? Naantay ko siya eh. Saan kaya nagpunta yun? Okay guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Bye everyone.
Yeah, we can go shop.
We'll just pass around.